Sports venues present some of the most complex maintenance challenges. Like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our new videos. Unlike typical commercial buildings, sports venues experience intense operational pressure during match days, concerts, and major events, accommodating huge visitor volumes. Maintenance is vital for more than operational uptime. It directly safeguards public safety, regulatory compliance, brand reputation, and venue profitability. Irregular schedules leave narrow windows, sometimes hours, between events for inspection and repairs, creating pressure to meet strict gates open times and broadcast schedules. A single failure in critical infrastructure such as HVAC, power, turnstiles, or sanitation can trigger safety hazards, refund claims, cancellations, and severe reputational harm. Quiet periods bring risks of stagnant water systems, deteriorating mechanical plant, battery failures, pest activity, and poor air quality or mold growth. Assets unused during the off-season require detailed checks and recommissioning prior to peak capacity, especially for safety, water hygiene, and emergency systems. Effective facility management differentiates between assets that can shift to lower activity regimes, those needing fixed schedules, and those requiring pre-event testing. Historic venues require specialist care to preserve architectural character safely, while modern venues demand complex technical expertise for advanced smart systems and controls. Hosting concerts, corporate functions, and temporary pop-ups alters risk profiles, requiring flexible maintenance regimes for temporary power, staging, and changed crowd flows. Supporting local authority safety certifications and safety advisory groups requires robust digital audit trails, alongside clear ownership among owners, operators, and contractors. Anoop Bassin, expert at SFG20, said, "In sports venues, the consequences of maintenance failures can be immediate and highly visible. This is particularly challenging for multi-use venues, where assets must support not only sporting events, but also concerts, conferences, hospitality, and private functions, each placing different demands on access, cleaning, catering, power, and safety systems." Bassin continued, "Accessibility-related assets, including lifts, accessible entrances, automatic doors, accessible toilets, hearing loops, signage, and viewing area infrastructure must also be maintained and event-ready to ensure all visitors can safely access and enjoy the venue, and that venue owners do not face the reputational repercussions of failing in this area." Bassin explains, "As expectations around protective security increase and Martin's Law comes into force, FM teams may also need to ensure that physical systems supporting preparedness are maintained and ready, including CCTV, access control, barriers, gates, communications, emergency routes, and hostile vehicle mitigation measures where applicable." Bassim added, "Another challenge for facilities teams is making sure maintenance is carried out at the right time and on the right assets. By ensuring maintenance is properly planned, facilities teams can improve asset reliability and help keep venues safe, compliant, well-maintained, and ready for every event." To learn more, read the full article in our Building Services category. Read more at TWinFM.com.